The video traces the history of weapons from ancient bows to siege catapults and onward to modern firearms, highlighting how technology shaped cultures. It explains how triggers and springs evolved from simple levers to double-action mechanisms in pistols and rifles. Diagrams show barrels lengthening, rifling, and the shift from smooth bores to accurate, repeatable shooting and maintenance. Animated sequences compare bow limbs, catapult torsion, and modern compound systems, highlighting materials and engineering choices and their impact on performance. The conclusion emphasizes education, history, and engineering values, not promoting violence, with a final reminder of the educational purpose.